Let's take a look at the steps for using the Wonders Gradebook. To access, click Assessment and Data on the navigation banner, then select Gradebook. Students are listed on the left side of the table with their total grades in the first column. Individual assignments are listed in subsequent columns. Select the icon next to the assignment name to see the assignment category, start and due date, and total points. Use the toolbar in the upper right corner to adjust your gradebook view. To adjust your gradebook view, including filtering search results, set display options, and view grading history. You can also download and print the gradebook. To determine the information that you see on the display options page, select the tools icon and select display options on the menu. Select the checkboxes next to the columns you want to show. Select a radio button to determine if you want grades shown as points or percentages. Then click Save. Select Gradebook settings to determine the grading scale for this class. To edit an assessment, select the icon next to the assessment name and select Edit Assignment. Make your changes to the assessment's content and settings and select the Save button. Be sure to save your changes on each tab before moving on. To delete an assessment, you must go to its entry on the Assigned Assessments tab and select Delete on the Tests Action menu. To view student submissions, select the icon next to the assignment name and select Edit Student Scores. Click the View Score Sheet link next to a student's name. Here you can view what the student submitted for each question, enter the score, and any comments. Your changes are saved automatically. You can select another student from the drop-down list. To work with a particular student, click the student's name. Select the assignment name to view any student submissions. Select the score to view the score sheet or add a note. View older assignments by selecting a date from the drop-down list. Click the print icon to print the student's gradebook. Use the previous and next links to view other student details. To print the class gradebook, click the download icon and select Download File. Select the checkboxes next to the columns you want to show. Select a radio button to determine if you want grades shown as points or percentages. Select the export format and click Export. This will create a printable version of the gradebook. This concludes our guide to the gradebook. Be sure to refer to other help materials for more information about this and other parts of the Wonders program.